Today, we take a stand for equality for women everywhere. I took my fake pockets, and I made them real pockets. It goes like all the way down to my knee. That's right, men. We're coming for you. Now I can put my phone in my dress pants too. What? Okay, so this was super fun. Today, I took my stupid little fake pockets. Look at these stupid things. Why on earth would you put fake pockets on anything? What woman is like, you know what I'd really love? I would really love some pants or a blazer or a new skirt that has pockets that don't work. Why? Or we have pockets and they're like so shallow, your chapstick won't even stay in it. I don't get the point of it. But anyways, today, I'm gonna show you how to take your fake pockets, whether it's fake front pockets, blazer pockets, the ones in the back, it literally does not matter. Any fake pockets, I'm gonna show you how to turn it into a real pocket. And look how deep this is. I have to like stand on my tiptoes to even get the bottom of it in the picture. It goes all the way down here. My huge phone fits in this pocket and still has like an inch or two till it hits the top. They're amazing, and I can't even like see them from the outside. You guys ready? Okay, let's do this. First thing I'm gonna do is I have to open up these fake pockets. So I am going to, let's see, from the right side, okay, from the right side, I'm gonna find this seam, this evil seam that's faking us out. This is like the door to pocket land right here, and we are cutting it open. All right. So whatever evil seam is stopping your pockets from being real pockets, let's cut that sucker open. Okay, so we officially can put our hand into this pocket. Woohoo! Honestly, that's kind of the hard part there. Like after this, they've already done the work and attached it to the top of the pants. All we're gonna do you see how when we open that up, we're just gonna literally sew a little baggie to this. So you want a fabric that's not going to stick to your pants, because then they're going to get scrunchy and bunchy and look goofy while you're wearing them. So something smooth, silky, something slippery basically is what I always like to call it. Some slippery fabric is all we need, and we need to cut 4. So this is some fabric I had used a while back. Isn't this so pretty? Down at this ucky end where I've been cutting stuff, I'm gonna fold it so there's 2 levels right now, and then I'm gonna fold it over so I can cut 4 nice pocket bags. Okay, so I'm using this little section that's already there for me to attach it to. What I'm gonna do is take a pen, and what you really can do, what I would recommend, because if we're adding pockets, I want these to be like pockets, stick your phone here. See how big your phone is? And like trace around it to make sure your pocket's big enough to even put your phone in. Because I don't know what's up with all these pockets in women's pants that you can't even fit your phone in. So stick your phone down and trace around and make sure it's big enough to even hold the phone. But otherwise, I'm going to trace around this curve up here. Maybe, if my pen will work. Ah! Oh, there it goes. Okay, so that's like where the top is. And then I'm going to make this come down. Let's see. Okay, these scissors are the same length as my phone. And they are a little bit not as wide, but that's good. So I'm going to come like this and back up the other side. Ta-da! Not bad, right? So now we need seam allowance. So you can either like go around and mark half an inch, half an inch, half an inch. Or you can just eyeball it while you cut it, honestly. Beautiful, lovely pocket bags. Okay, so this is one pocket and the other pocket. So, since this is my like slippery side, I want that to be the outside of the fabric, okay? And typically we would put right sides together, sew it, turn it right side out, iron it really nice. But that's going to create 4 layers, same thing. 4 layers of fabric, which means bulk, which means you will see the outline of your pocket from the outside of the pants, which we don't really want, especially because women's pants are already kind of tight, so you're kind of going to see these pockets anyways. Let's see them a little bit less if we can. So I'm going to sew them wrong sides together, and I'm going to sew down and back up, and I'm going to do that 2 or 3 times to make sure nothing frays. You can serge the edges if you would like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, here is my pocket that we have very recently cut open. And I'm going to put it on top of this beautiful pocket bag we just created, and I'm going to pin it there. Okay, so I have this at my machine. I'm going to open up my pants really carefully, making sure that the only thing I'm sewing on is that layer of fabric that I just pinned and that I'm not catching anything else. I want to see the entire bottom of this so that I know I'm not sewing this pocket back closed. That would be upsetting. So starting way up in the corner, as close to that edge as you can possibly get. Go ahead and start your stitch there. Back stitch a little. And then we're going to follow this around. Back stitch at both ends. And now we're going to come back around the other way. Okay, so a couple tips when you pin the second side. I would pin the pocket bags together at least in a couple spots so that your pocket bags line up. And then, sorry, this is going to be a funky angle. I just don't want to move everything around again. And then with that laying flat, making sure it lines up at the top as well, then you can pin it to the other side of your fake pocket bag so that once these are both sewn, your pockets actually line up with each other, which would be so helpful. Let's see. Okay. So then you can take these pins out of the bottom of the pocket bag, because you want to open this up again. Make sure you're not sewing the other side of the pocket bag. And then sew over that side as well. Make sure you back stitch. Okay, so now that this is sewn to that side, this one is sewn to that side, we can put these nice and flat together. Yippee-doo-dah. And all we're going to do, you can pin this, you don't have to, it doesn't really matter. We're going to sew down the pocket bag and back up. And they have pockets! Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, iron this really, really well. See how like wrinkly this is? Ironing will fix that. It'll set your stitches. It'll make it so nice. Otherwise, they're done. Just do the other side of the pants. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this for you. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.